If you are in the market for a small window air conditioner that cools your space quickly and is easy to install, this one by LG is a great option. We've been using this in our bedroom for probably 3 or 4 years now, and I have no complaints about it at all. I love how easy it is to install. Really just takes us a couple minutes whenever we want to put it in every summer. There's a little section here you can move left and right, just depending on where you want the airflow to go the most. Up here, we always keep our settings the same. I keep the fan speed on high. And here, I keep it on like the highest cool setting. We like it cold. But it's nice that you have the option to like have things really cold, not quite as cold, use just a fan. So I like that. And it really cannot get any simpler. All you have to do is hit a button to turn it on. Hit the on button. There it goes. Cold air is already coming out, quick and easy. And you just hit the same button again to turn it back off. And it really can't get much simpler than that, honestly. That's all that I was looking for in an air conditioner, something simple, easy to install, easy to use, something that keeps my room cool, and I get all of those features with this. So if you're in the market for a window air conditioner like this for a smaller room, I would definitely recommend this one.